Hi guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing. There's gonna be noise outside because of people working, and my ear closed. I can't wear earrings, so I just hope Ella doesn't get mad if I don't wear her earring. And it's because, let's be honest, I lost it a few days ago and I haven't found it, and I'm kind of scared she's gonna find out. Anyways, yeah, I don't care, but I'm gonna do an unboxing. Crap. This is a lip product. Anyways, I already have lip gloss, whatever. Okay, so let's see. This is from Amazon, it says here, but it's gifted. I didn't pay for this, I don't think. Let me open the package. Yes, they're vitamins. I think they're gummies, so they're magnesium citrate. This one says that it's good for anti-stress and sleep relief, which if you have anxiety or you have insomnia, you can't sleep in the middle of the night, or you struggle with a lot of stress and you just need to calm down, basically. Take this. Supposedly it helps you with that. They reached out to me. This is from Dr.moritz. This is a free gifted collab, but I was like, I actually do need this because I tend to stress. Sometimes I can't sleep. Yeah, to the point it shows in my skin. It's horrible. It's something I'm working on. I'm not stressing as much anymore as before because I'm learning to control it, but sometimes it's inevitable and you're gonna stress either way. Whenever I'm put under pressure, it's very hard, and then I get anxiety. That's just how I am, so it's annoying. So that can kill you, and it gives you a lot of health issues. So I was like, you know what, let me give this a try. So supposedly this doesn't have sugar and it's vegan and gluten free, and so it has 60 capsules. Okay, so this is good for children and adults. So it looks like a pretty good, reliable brand. It looks trusting, legit. I don't know. So I'm gonna do a taste test right now. So obviously I need to peel this off first. So I haven't been taking vitamins recently, but ooh, it smells like grape. Oh, they look like grape. So I'm all about health and wellness, but I'm not being good right now. Ooh, they're cute little gummy bears. They're so cute. Well, makes sense because it's both for kids and adults. Like, there's people that can't swallow pills. I'm learning to swallow them now at my old veteran age. I did a trick where I put it under my tongue and then I drink water and then I can swallow it, but I can't do it the traditional way. And I saw that trick on YouTube, or I googled it, and it did help. Anyways, but I still prefer gummies. They're easier. I love candy. Okay, this texture is kind of different than traditional gummy. It didn't taste that good. Kind of tastes grassy, like medicine. Not sweet, intense. So just a little sweet. I forgot that I should have waited at night because I'm gonna get sleepy. But this is raspberry flavor and it does taste like a berry. It doesn't taste bad, but it's not super sweet like other vitamins I've tried that are gummies. They taste so sweet. This one doesn't, so this one's good for people that don't like sweets. But the texture a little grainy when I chew it, but chewy and soft at the same time. It's a different texture, different flavor that I've tried in vitamins before, so it threw me off. So I'm kind of like, I have to get used to it, but it's not horrible at all. I don't mind. I can eat it. Just for people that are sensitive with texture, taste. You probably won't like it as much as the, but at the same time, I think you will, because the other ones taste really sweet to the point that you're like, this is not healthy. This tastes like straight up candy, not vitamin, but this one doesn't. So I think you're gonna like it overall. You know, you just have to get used to it. I'm celebrating. So it's pretty interesting. Obviously I can do a review, but let me see if this makes me sleep better at night and not stress. It's alright. First impressions, I give it a mid. It's alright. A little weird, not something I've tried before, but overall good. So three out of 5 stars. I don't know, until I know if I feel like this works on my body, then maybe I'll change my rating, obviously. So yeah, those are the nutrition. Then this made me burp. Okay, so okay, yay, I'm excited to try this, because I hope this helps me. Okay, bye. Maybe if I notice a difference, maybe I'll put it in the description box below, like my little mini review, or at the end of the video. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, bye. Thank you for sending me this. Thanks for watching. Bye.